Hey guys, it's Beth from Cantata Wellness, and it's Technique Tuesday time. Say that 5 times fast. Um, and today we're going to do some stretches on the hip flexor. So we're going to start with iliopsoas. And to do that, what I'm going to do is number one, I've scooted my client all the way back to the end of the table. Now I'm going to reach up under and support my client's knee and their foot. And then I'm going to put my hand here on their hip and I'm going to just bring my stretch out this way. You can turn your body. What you don't want to do is lift your client's leg up too high or drop it down too low. You want to stay relatively close to the table and parallel. Your client should feel that stretch through here. Now, to do rectus femoris, what we're going to do is bend her leg. I'm going to reach around the knee and I'm going to pull this way, and your client should feel that through here. And then finally, we're going to stretch TFL. So what we're going to do is drop the leg off the table and stretch down this way. And this is where the client should feel that, through here and into the IT band. So 3 different muscles, similar stretches, all of the hip flexors. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll talk to you next week.